My dog, the living alarm clock. I own a living alarm clock. It's my dog, Bori. Bori wakes me up at the crack of dawn. He does it every day without fail. But he somehow knows when it's the weekend and I don't have work. Then he lets me sleep in a little longer. There's only one reason, but he wakes me, feed me. He pesters me relentlessly until I get up to feed him. I try to hide under the covers on days when I'm especially tired, but I can't beat him. He scratches at the blankets so hard that we no longer have a single unharmed blanket or pillow at home. Bori was once a stray dog, but living with our family seems to have healed his heart, and that makes me happy. I just hope he can continue acting as my alarm clock for a long time until the day he crosses the Rainbow Bridge.